So in this particular video, I will talk about how to write the first Verilog program. So after installing my Modelsim PE Students Edition, you will open it, and you will see this pop-up which says welcome to Modelsim version 10.4. You will just start by clicking on Jump Start, and you will start a new project by clicking on Create a Project. You will give the name. So we will develop an AND gate. So we will just write AND gate and press OK. And we will also need to create new file to write our program. So we will press on create new file. We will write the name of the file. So we will just give AND gate same. So prefer writing same project name and same project file name. And we will select add file as type. So we are writing Verilog program. So we will select Verilog. We will press OK and then close. We cannot see anything. So what we can do? We'll press on view project. Project. Yeah, now we can see. So we can say and get project has been created and also the file. We will double click on andgate.v and you will see an editor coming right here. In this editor, we have to write our program. So a simple Verilog program starts with a module. Module is just a, a block of a program, of a Verilog program. After module, we will give the name of the file. Give the name of the module names. You can just say. We will just give and get, and in bracket we will give inputs and outputs. We will select Y as output, A as input, B as another input, semicolon. We will declare input and output. So we will say input A, comma B, output Y is our output. This simple program which I am writing is a structural type of program. We can write three types of Verilog programs. They are structural, and another one is behavioral, and another one is data flow. Structural is the most simple one. So you just write the program by knowing the basic gates, which is already in the library of this Verilog. So we do not generate the logic. We just use the gates which are already implemented in Verilog, and we just use it. So we will write and and we will give the instance name. For example, we are using AND gate which is already present in the library. So we can give anything, and one and a and something 5654. It all depends on you. So we will just give and one, and we will give the inputs and outputs. So y comma a comma b semicolon, and we will just write and module. That's it. This is our program. Now we need to compile it. In order to compile, we first need to save it. So we will press Ctrl S, so it will be saved. Now we will go on our project window, right click on it, press on compile selected. You will see here in the transcript window, compile of andget.v was successful. So we know that there are no errors. Now after successful compiling, we will go to simulation. So we will press on simulate, start our simulation, and here in the design, in under work folder, we will see our all the files we have created. So we are currently dealing with AND gate, so we will press on AND gate and press OK. Now it will take us to the simulation, what you can say, simulation window. So this is our ANDGate.v and this is our simulation window wave. Here there are three inputs A, B, Y. We will select all, right click and press on add to wave and selected signals. So this A, B and Y will be added to this wave signals. Now in order to provide inputs to A and B, we can do it by two ways. We can force the input 1 or 0 in A and B, and we can also create test bench. Test bench I will tell you how to create later. In this video we will just force A and B as 1 and 0, anything you want. So we will first right click on A, force. Here you can see value which is 1 tick HZ. One tick means one value, H means hexadecimal, Z means high impedance. So we will change the Z from Z to 1 or 0, whatever you want. So I will just give 1 and press OK. You can see here in the transcript window, force 1 tick H10. Now we will force our B input. So we will press on force. We will give 0 here and press OK. Here you can see 1 tick H1 and 1 tick H0. So we have given our inputs 1 and 0. So our output of AND gate should be 0. So how do we check that? In order to see the output, we will see here below help, there is 100 nanosecond run length. We can do it for as much time as we want. So just start with 100 nanosecond and to the right, we will see run. So after clicking run, we can see that three lines have occurred in this wave. What are these? The first line is of AND gate input A, which is parallelly to input A. So we can see that we have given 1. So it is at logic 1 level, which is at upper high level. And we have given B as 0, so it is at lower level. The output of 1 and 0 of an AND gate, it is expected to be 0. So here we can see in the wave window that it is 0. So we can say that our code, our execution, our simulation have all run smoothly and there are no errors. In order to exit the simulation, we will again press on simulate and we will end simulation. Yes. So that's the first program. That's how you write it. In later videos, maybe I'll discuss about more of Verilog. Thank you.